loves, it's Sam. So today I'm going to be showing you guys an updated bedroom tour. Jay and I recently just rearranged our master bedroom and it is so much better. The energy feels so good. It's like a little sanctuary and I'm so excited. So today you're going to get to see what it looks like. I think it turned out really good. We basically moved the bed from one wall over to the other wall because the problem was that we had a window and then we had a blank wall. So it wasn't ever like symmetrical on either side of our bed, and that irritates me. I really like symmetry. So we moved the bed so that it's in between of the two windows now so that each side looks exactly the same, and I like that. That makes me so happy. So, and I also feel like now we have so much more space. Before we had a ton of space at the end of our bed, but it was kind of cramped in between each side. Whereas now I feel like we have a nice good space between each side of our bed, but then we also have a good space at the end of our bed as well. So it just kind of feels like it opened up the room and makes it way more big, It makes it feel way more bigger, It makes it feel way bigger. That's what I'm trying to say. There was also, like, right when you came out of the bathroom, there was a massive dresser. Right when you came into the bedroom, there was like my little closet, and it was just like, just felt a little cramped in there. I just didn't have a good flow. So today you're gonna get to see our new designed bedroom. It's so cute and it just feels really good. It has a good vibe. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna link whatever I can link down below if I can find our bedroom set or bedding, that kind of stuff. So check the description box just in case there's something like our lamp. I think there's a few things that I know are still available. So I'll try and link as much as I can below for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoy it and I hope you like our new space. It's so relaxing and lovely and it's just like our special little spot. We do yoga there in the morning. It's just so nice. It's like such a relaxing space. So enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a big old thumbs up if you liked this. I love you guys. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is what you see now. So I think it's nicer view when you walk in. Oh, this battery's blinking at me, typical. I'll try and get as much as I can out of this battery. So let's just go ahead and look this way first. We have a little plant that I got from TJ Maxx a long time ago. It is fake. And then over here is my hats. That one is from Express. That one I think I got from ThredUp, and that one's from Nordstrom. And then we have our dresser here. So this is the Ashley dresser. And then on the top here, we've got my little vase. I think I got that from TJ Maxx or World Market. A picture of my mama. She was skiing in Tahoe. That was when I was probably, I don't know, 4th grade. Maybe 5th grade. And then I've got a little basket, which Lily is hiding her eggs in here for now. Got a little bowl of all of my little Scentbird perfumes, little Victor and Rolf, just like little tiny samples. I got these bowls from, I think it was like a FabFitFun. Then this cat is meowing for tuna and we don't have any. This tray is from Target. This is where I keep all my perfumes. These are like my main perfumes that I wear regularly. So right now, like Ariana Grande, I wear that one a lot. Amarish, Hugo Boss Deep Red, Carolina Herrera Good Girl. Those are the ones that, what is this cat doing? Do you mind? I'm trying to keep it tidy in here. He's just gonna be obnoxious till he gets his tuna. Jay has to go get some. And then over here, we have a little dish of more Scentbird perfumes and little samples. These little baskets are from IKEA. They're really cute. This was thrifting, love it. So glad I found that. And I am wearing my pajamas, guys. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. So that's what it looks like from this angle. And I like how you can like see the mirror, you know? So it's like I can see the hats from here, which is kind of fun. And then over in this corner, we keep our yoga mats over here. We do yoga every morning in the bedroom. And then this is a chair that we thrifted from Habitat for Humanity a while ago. This is a pillow that I designed. They are no longer available. And then this is like a little Tima towel, super cute. And then over here is my nightstand. So I actually changed the knobs on this. They're a little bit crooked at the moment. That's what they used to look like. I wanted gold, but then I never changed out the rest, so I don't know why I did that. We changed beds. We're actually gonna have to change it back because I slept on this side last night, which is not my normal side, and it was so weird. But I wanted this to be the first nightstand when you walk in because mine's cuter. But yeah, I don't think we're gonna have to do that because I literally slept such poop. Last night was horrible, so we're gonna have to switch back. But over here, so these are silly. They're from World Market, and when you don't have a dish below, oh, mine didn't burn. Not cool. It drips all over your table. So we just got like a little cat dish that we had that I put corn on the cob on and put it underneath so that it can actually collect the little bits that fall out. But we love incense. It's like my favorite thing to burn in the bedroom and the bathroom. I just love it. It's so relaxing. And then back there I have a little mug with my pens. Probably got that from TJ Maxx. Then we've got my little stack of books and notebooks, just because I think it looks cute. I've got Dream Mist that I actually never use. I've got a little Beechwood Essentials oil diffuser that has tea tree in right now. This is my jewelry case from Jared that I keep all of my jewelry in. That's like my snazzy jewelry. And then this is normally right here for a drink cup. I got those from Vera Shop. I keep my phone here when I charge it at night. Then my little jewelry dish so that when I go to bed I can just take off my jewelry and put it in here. And then my lamp is, actually we really want to change out our lamps just because we've had those for a long time and I feel like I want something else, but I haven't found anything that I love yet, so I'm just going to keep them until I find something that I love. Bamboo rods we found on Craigslist for like $7, and then the curtains are both from World Market. No, they're not, they're from Target. So then here is our bed, and oh, sorry cat. Again, bed is from Ashley. It matches all of our bedroom set. And then the bedding is from Nordstrom. I got it in the sale. The two big pillows are also from Nordstrom. That one I think is from TJ Maxx, and then that one is from Nordstrom. And the blanket's from Nordstrom. So we got it all in the Nordstrom sale, and honestly, I'm obsessed. I love it so, so much. And these blankets are so comfortable. Fiona loves them. So then over here, we have, and see how much space now we have on either side. It was so cramped before when we got out of bed. So now like I have a nice big space, and then Jay also has a nice big space. And then also when you look at it like this, it's perfectly symmetrical on both sides. And I'm such a weird symmetrical person. I can't stand when things are not even on both sides. It irritates me. So now we both have a chair. We both have a nightstand, we both have the same lamp, we both have the same curtains. It just feels right. Oh, the dream catcher was a gift that I got from my cousin from England. So that was really cute, I love that. And then over here, see, this is why I don't want this when you first walk in, because he's messy. Same nightstand. He's also got a little incense, which also isn't burning. What the heck, I need to fix these. Same little dish. He's currently reading The Rosie Project. He says it's really good. I hear him chuckling a lot when he reads it. He's also got a little Vera Shop cup holder. He made this little thing to hold his phone. We have an Alexa. He has his colognes. So he's got Hugo Boss. I don't know what this one's called. It's the new one. I'm not sure, but, oh, Infinite. YSL, Dolce & Gabbana. So that's his little cologne tray. And then this was, I think, from Deco Created a while ago. So that is his nightstand. And again, he's got the same curtains on that side. And then a little thrifted chair, blankets from Tima Towels. And then that's the other side of the other pillow. So I have two so that I can have both sides showing. And then over here, we have the rug, which is the same as the other side. I really like symmetry. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I just can't deal with it if it's not the same. Then this is another piece from the Ashley. It's the Apprentice collection. I have my Invisalign in also, so I have a bit of a lisp at the moment. So we have a little light. I probably got it from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. That sign was from, or the picture was from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. That's from Deco Created. I have my lip gloss just because it makes me feel cool. And then I have more perfumes up here. So I have perfumes everywhere, and I have a little dish that says BU. And then over here we have an annoying cat who wants tuna. He's like trying to get my attention in every way he possibly. I didn't forget about you. I have no tuna. It's all gone. I have to get more. Sorry. Then here we have my mirror, which my friend gave to me when she moved. And then this little, I think it's supposed to be like a little dream catcher or something. Lily made it for me at school, so I keep it there. This is my mirror for try on hauls now, which I actually really like the view behind. I think it looks really cute. And then over here we have another window. This is where the bed was up again. So before, the bed was here, and the thing that irritated me the most was that it wasn't even. So like my side had the window, but then he didn't have a window, and then it was just this bed, and then it just looked so uneven, and I couldn't deal with it. I really didn't like it. Every time I came into the room, I just felt like the energy was off, and I just like, oh, it really frustrated me. So I was just like, no, we have to change this. I can't deal. So over here is usually, this is like where I sit when I film the intros to my try-ons. So in here I just have like extra little goodies. And then I have a little stool. That's what I sit on when I film. Got my battery packs. And then on top here, this little one that Fiona got a hold of and chewed, I've got extra batteries. I know you're fat and you're hungry, but you have food. You're just spoiled. You know that? You're a spoiled kitty cat. It's like, I don't want to eat my regular biscuits. I want tuna. I know, I don't have any. You're just going to have to relax and eat your regular food. You're not going to die. You've got plenty of stuffing. You'll be fine. Anyway, I have I have more perfumes over here. In the back here, this one is a really cool one from, oh my god, this cat. He's like, come on, what, do you mind? I'm trying to film. You sit right there. This one's really pretty. It's by Monet. It's like a collaboration with Monet and someone else. But my camera doesn't want to focus. There we go. Isn't the bottle pretty? And then it comes with this really cool stand. I got it from fragrance.com. Oh my god, this cat. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna stand over here. And then in here I have more perfumes. So yeah, I love perfumes. I have a ton. I like to be able to switch it up. He's just gonna go ahead and like take over everything over here. Then over here we have this gorgeous picture, which is glaring super bad right now. But I got this from Marshalls.com and I love it. It's by Marmont. I'm obsessed with this art. It's so gorgeous. I have another piece in our downstairs bathroom. And then if you turn, so see now I'm in this corner. Looks like this. This rug is from World Market. I love this rug. It's amazing. Oh, it's crooked. But it's really beautiful. And it's got these little tassels. I just love it. It's so gorgeous. And then that is like to our bathroom. And then I have a new Walmart order coming in for activewear. That'll be here tomorrow. So I have cleaned out my closet. This is where I put all of my new stuff that I know is going to be for a new try-on haul. So whenever I have new items, I'll clear out the old items, put those in my closet, and then put all the new ones here because I know that's what I need to show. So I'm waiting for my order to come tomorrow. I got the little closet from World Market. Where was it from? Amazon. This was from Amazon, and it was really easy to build. I built it myself. Amazing. That's where I keep all my hats, my little baggies that I think are cute. I've got some shoes that are just like, you know, cute. I have no more space in my closet for shoes, so I have some out here. And then this lamp is from Bright Tech. You can get them on Amazon. I love the wood. I just think it looks so pretty with this little closet here. And then this little picture over here is from Verishop. It's a nude lady posing, and I just feel like it matches so well because it's like my little closet here. It makes sense in my mind. That is everything, you guys. That is our bedroom. I'll give you a little roundabout look. But I feel like, oh, see, and now we have all this space here as well. And before, when you came in, this closet was right here. So right when you walked in, you had like a hat in your face. And then our big tall dresser, that one right there, was right there. So it was like right when you came out of the bathroom, you had this massive dresser. And it just felt a little bit claustrophobic and kind of like just a bit too much in here. It didn't flow well and it irritated me. And so yesterday Jay and I were cleaning anyway, so we just decided to just move it all around. But I feel like now there's a lot more spaces. Like you have this big huge area there. There's a nice big space on either side of the bed, which is really awesome. And it just kind of like has a better flow. I really like the way it looks and I love it. It's so cute. I think technically you're not supposed to have your bed facing towards a door. That's like bad feng shui. I don't know how that works because like Yeah, I guess this would be facing a door because the door's right there. But I don't know. I don't care. I'm sorry, Feng Shui, but I don't care because this has a better flow. It just feels a lot more, it feels like the room is so much bigger this way and so much more open and just like better functionality. So I really like it this way. And I also like how it's even now on either side of the bed. For me, the bed should be even on both sides. I can't deal when it's not. Not that I have a problem with other people, but for me personally, if I have to live with it, I have to be even. And it was driving me crazy having one window on one side and not the other. Like, it just stressed me out. So I know it's just stupid little things, but that kind of stuff irritates me. So now I feel like it's much better. It feels better. It just has a good energy, good vibes. It's peaceful. It's like just gonna sit there and lick himself. It just has like a nice, like, I don't know, just a good positive energy. So there is our bedroom. And I hope you guys love it. I gotta relight my incense now because I don't know why it didn't burn down. Look at the sweet baby. She loves these blankets. She's claimed this one. This is always hers. So wherever we go, if she comes up into my makeup room when I'm filming up there, I bring her blankie. When she's on the couch, I bring her blankie. Matches her tear stains. It's like the same color. Anyway, you like your blankie? Is that nice? Okay guys, so there is my master bedroom, updated master bedroom tour. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys very soon.